So in this lesson, we're going to take a look at our third and final riff. And this is our, what I would call our bridge riff or our middle eight riff. This is the riff that appears halfway through our stylistic metal track. And this is based around another very common technique, which is referred to as the pedal tone. Now, as the name might suggest, pedaling, pedal tone, you are pedaling off of a static tone. A really great example of this is the opening riff to Crazy Train by Ozzy Osbourne, as performed by Randy Rhoads. But you can hear such bands as Metallica, Black Sabbath and Iron Maiden all using the pedal tone riff. Now, for this riff, we're going to be pedaling off of the open E string. So we're going to be using the Galloping riff. So down, down, up. And then we're going to be playing a melodic figure on the A string. So we're going to start off going. Now that sounds very metal there. Obviously our song is in E minor, but we're going between. There we're outlining E to F. That semitone interval has a very metal sound about it. So you're going down, down, up on the open E. And then we play the 7th fret A, and then we do a down up on the E. Then we play the 8th fret, then a down up on the E, and then a single downstroke on the 7th fret of the A. So you get this. Okay, so you're pedaling off of the open string. Okay, then we're going to change the riff. Okay, that time we're going down, down, up on the low E. We play the 7th fret, then down, up on the E, down on the 5th fret of the A, then a down, up on the E, and then we play the 8th fret. So I'm just going between my 1st and 2nd fingers for this riff. Okay, then the second half of the riff, we start off with the first portion again. And then we have. Now for that, we're playing the down, up, down, down, up on the E. We play the 7th fret of the A, down, up on the E, up to the 10th fret, and then a down, up on the E, and then that F note on the 8th fret. So the second half of the riff sounds like this. Okay, let's play through our entire pedal tone metal riff. Here we go. 3, 4. Okay, so now it's your turn to play through our pedal tone metal riff. This is riff number 3.